First off, I'm going to be applying some prescription lenses from BC Beauty. I will be priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love using a concealer to prime because it hides any veins and redness. I'm going to blend it out with a brush. For this neon green eye look, I'm going to be using Beauty Creation Cosmetics Alicia palette. I'm going to start with this neon green shade. Tapping this through my crease. I did not set the concealer, so remember to tap the eyeshadow, don't swipe. To set my brow bone, I'm using the Fit Me Poreless powder. Next shadow I'm picking up is this lime green shade. I'm going to apply it on my crease and outer corner. Keep on blending. You want everything to melt together, no harsh lines, because it looks better when it's blended. Then I'm going in with a darker green shade, and I'm going to be using this Zoeva 224 brush. I'm going to apply the eyeshadow on top of the lime green, and again placing it on the crease and outer corner. A Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again in light medium sand, and we're going to carve out our crease. Going back to the lime green shade, I'm going to place that on my outer V because I want to diffuse the harsh line, and on top of that I'm adding the neon green. For my eyelid, I'm using this shimmery green eyeshadow, pressing it down on my lid. Go back to the outer corner and blend it a bit more. We want to make sure there's no harsh lines. Everything has to melt together. Clean any fallout with a makeup remover wipe. Next, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. I'm using this lash curler from LA Girl Cosmetics, and for mascara I decided to go with this one. It's the Telescopic mascara, and I'm going to apply it to my top and bottom lashes. For fake eyelashes, I decided to go with the same ones I did on the last video from Beauty Creation Cosmetics, and these are the lashes I'm going to be using. On my bottom lash line, I'm going to be applying the same eyeshadows, starting with the neon green. On top of that, I'm adding the lime green, and lastly I'm going to darken it up by adding the dark green and blending it out. For my waterline, I'm using a neon green eyeliner. This one is from LA Girl Cosmetics. For my top waterline, I'm using a black gel eyeliner. Adding more of the mascara to my bottom lashes as well. With my mini lash curler from Shop Lady Lashes, I'm going to press down my real lashes with the fake lashes. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video, and if you guys want more videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.